I don't know what to do. All right, you ready?
All right.
Wait. Give me a second.
All right, action.
Hey, how you guys doing? This is Ritchie Love. This is my 2003 Ford Econoline van. So most of the time when you're a weekend warrior, some people are like legitimate van lifers. I look up to them because it's a lot of work. But even me, I have all my family like 6 hours away, 4 hours away. I'm always on the road and I'm not really wanting to spend a lot on hotels, so that's why this build out happened. My first thing I do is I put my keys up and I'm in the van. We did hardwood floors all here. And then I put my mat down just because we get real dirty real fast. So I got this guy that I put down and I put it outside. So when I take my shoes off, I can do that, get in the van, and then bring in my shoes. And now outside stuff bringing in. Every time I talk to anybody that has a van, they're always cleaning their van out because they're bringing like stuff in. So I'm trying to do as much as possible to not bring stuff in. I have another shoe rack in the back, so if I'm trying to do something in the back, we'll show you later, I got another place to put my shoes. The next thing I have, I mean, everything is movable. We got my dresser. This is where I put my clothes. I have some spices in here. I have my cook set, stuff like that.
Can we see?
Yeah, of course. So here's some of my, cups, my underneath. Sorry about that. This is where I keep my cook set and this guy. So I got my pans, cutting board, all my hot sauces and stuff like that. I got my cooker. Everything comes from the back. I'll bring the tables out and I'll put them out and we'll just get down. It's really cool.
And we're gonna have another episode featuring how to cook out of your van, which Ritchie will happily show us. Okay.
Here's a hammock. You can get this at Walmart. It's pretty cool. You can snap it on one of these guys here. There's another one in the back of the van. A lot of vans have them. So that holds up to, I think, 400 pounds of weight. And this, this rad.
It's you will break. Not kidding.
So right now you can see the bed and it's all built up on a stand. It's slammed into the floorboards with L brackets. So if I wanted to change the setup or I wanted to do something different, I want it to be versatile opposed to permanent, because I am coming into problems, and you do that when you did what? I did mount the TV on the wall here in the back, and it's hooked up to the inverter right there. I believe this one is a 175 watt. I do have a 1,000 watt that I'm going to hook up later, but that was just enough just to get the TV going with a let's go. The rig's really basic in the front. I want to get this to be a captain's chair later. I got a couple of waste bins here because we're on the traveling side. We got to do a lot of stuff. I even have my secret trash can behind me, which is my favorite part, because it's like sometimes you're just like doing things and you just need to get stuff out of the way. I got my crate here. I put a lot of just random stuff in here. Boom. So I'm going to show you a little bit out of the back right now. I have two fold-up tables that I keep in the back. This is the one I cook on. It folds out completely. Ice chest on with all of my groceries and stuff like that, so I can work out of it. So I got those. I got my little fold-out chair. Everything has its little place. This was what I was telling you about. You have like plenty of room. This is where I usually put my ice chest, where I have all my groceries. I have my tools I have more Reflectix for the windows. I have my shoe rack. This is for when I'm at the beach and I put my towels. So everything just dries completely before I even leave. And I just didn't want to lose these cushions, so I reupholstered them with some pillowcases and utilized them. So a lot of people ask the question, you're on the road and you need to go to the bathroom or something like that, when you have an emergency. We have this really cool setup that I use with a bucket and this really cool top that they have in the hunting section. So I wanted to show you guys this. This is a external Wi-Fi that you can get from AT&T. I believe it's like $100 a month or something less than that. But it takes up, I think it's like 100 gigs, and then I use this to use the Roku on my TV, and I can watch anything I want when I'm just big chilling. Alright, so check this out. Most of the windows I put Reflectix in. That keeps out the heat and the cold and whatever. So right now it's getting pretty cold at night. So the Reflectix is on the windows. A lot of people don't really think about getting their water system. This is mine. I have a 5-gallon jug here with a thermos.
How's the water tasting? You didn't look too happy with that. Oh my god.
Alright, so the next thing I do is at nighttime, I'll throw down the curtain for stealth mode. So if I'm gonna sleep somewhere, I'll close this off. We got the Reflectix on the window, and we got this, and that will just give us complete darkness, so when we go to sleep, everything's great. Okay, so van lifers just have what they actually need inside of their vans. I didn't want to lose a lot of jeans that I didn't wear anymore, so we invented this quilt, and guess what? It keeps me warm, super warm. I love it.
So it's a quilt made out of jeans.
Isn't that amazing?